It's SheetFools. We're creating 24 fun automations today. We're going to now create a random header color when this sheet is open. Go to Extensions App Script and let's start writing our script. If you want this and every other script in this video and all the other videos for SheetFools, go to bettersheets.co/SheetFools and get it for free, absolutely free. So we have this on open function we've added already. Good morning, still working. Highlight a random row. Now we're going to highlight the header row a random color. So we'll create our color header in our on open function. But now let's go write that function. Function color header. What we're going to need to do is go to the sheet equals spreadsheet app.getActive spreadsheet.getActive sheet. We want the header range equals sheet.getRange 1, 1, 1, sheet columns. This gets us every single column, but only in the first row. Now, ultimately, we're going to go to the header range dot set background and have a color here. But let's get a random color. First, we need a variable color equals, and in quotes, hashtag. This is the start of a hex code, and we need the letters in hex codes, which is 0, 1, A, B, C, D, E, F. Those are all the available letters in hex codes. And we're going to create a little for loop. I equals 0. I is less than 6 because we only want 5 of them. I plus plus, we're going to iterate each time. And each time we come through here, we're going to add 2 colors, letters, math.random times 16, because we have 16 options. Here we go. So now let's see if this works. We're going to select it here, color header, and click run. Go back to our automations sheet. We have a new color here. Let's do that again and see what happens. We have a brand new color, totally random color every single time we open the sheet. How do we do that? Because this function color header is right here in on open. So let's close this and refresh our sheet, which is basically just closing it and reopening it. Now, every single time we open it, boom, a new color in our header. Again, if you're looking for this app script and you want all the other app scripts in SheetFools, go to bettersheets.co/SheetFools. Get this, download it for free, absolutely free, all of these app scripts. Enjoy.